Hi, I'm Ashikul from Accounting Syllabuses. Welcome to my channel where I upload accounting tutorials weekly. Our today's topic is Sales Ledger Control Account. This is a very common chapter in accounting, but when you prepare this control account, I see many of you make mistake. So today in this question, I will show you how to extract the value of sales in this control account. So no time to waste, let's get started. Okay, look at the question here. What is written? The sales journal for March 2017 was destroyed. Okay, but Wahida was able to provide the following information. So sales journal was destroyed. That means there is no value of sales. So in this account now we have to calculate the value of sales. Okay, but here look at the question. We have here debit balance, the two balances, debit balance and credit balance, which are the opening balance, and in the last of the question there are more two balances which were the closing balances, debit balance and credit balance. So we have here four balances, yeah, and we have some more items. Now we will calculate the value. Okay, what is today in the first transaction? March 31st, totals for the month. Okay, what are the totals? Check receipt from credit customer. Okay, here in this account we will record only customer related transaction, not supplier. Okay, so we will record only customers, okay, not supplier. No, don't forget. So many students write suppliers related item in the sales ledger control account and customers related items in the purchase ledger control account, which is a mistake. Okay, so this related transaction will go to the purchase ledger control account. But here in the question that we are asked to prepare the sales ledger control account, so we have to take all about customer related items. Okay, before we start, have a look at the format. Here we have six columns. Yeah, 3 columns here, 3 columns there. So if you want to add one more column here for folio, one more column for here also, it is also fine, but we have nothing to write there, so we can skip that. Okay, so here you see the 6 items. Here we have 4 items. So these are 4 items comes always in the debit side of sales ledger control account, and these 6 items always come credit side of sales ledger control account. Okay, so what we generate in the sales ledger control account? We calculate the closing balance of trade receivable, which is a current asset. I repeat, trade receivable, which is a current asset. Okay, so if we see that by making any transaction our trade receivable is increasing, then we have to record in the debit side. Okay, it is a trade receivable. Okay, so trade receivable. So if our trade receivable is increasing, we have to record in the debit side. If our trade receivable is decreasing, then we have to record in the credit side. Okay, so how increase, how decrease, I'll show you with the transaction. Okay, so first of all we have to record the opening balances. So here in the question we have debit balance in sales ledger 2346, credit balance in sales ledger $140. Okay, so here already you know that debit balance comes in the debit side and credit balance comes in the credit side. The first item here. Okay, look at here, credit balance. So here debit balance. So let us write here balance BD first, 2017 March 1st balance BD. It is 2346. Again balance here March 1st balance PD $140. So we have to start with the balance all the time, and balance will be clearly written in the question. What type of balance, debit balance or credit balance, it is also be mentioned in the transaction. Okay, so no worries. Now look at the transaction first one. March 31st, check receipt from credit customer. Yes, we have to record all the customer related transactions. Yeah, so check receipt from the customer. When we receive check from the customer, what happens to trade receivable? Our trade receivable means our customer will be decreased. Okay, When our trade receivable decreasing, we have to record in the credit side as a bank. Okay, I told you only these items comes in the sales ledger control account. So let us write here 2017 March 31st. It is here bank. Yeah, so received money by check means you received money by bank. Okay, 2145. Okay, so finished first transaction. Next we have check paid to the credit supplier. Check paid to the credit supplier. No supplier will be entered in this account. Okay, don't forget. Check received from credit customer included in the checks receipt. Later dishonored $350. So dishonored check, what is it? It is here, dishonored check. Yeah, dishonored check will increase the value of trade receivable. Yeah, so we have to record in the debit side. So let us write 2017 March 31st. We have to record as a bank, and in the bracket if you want to write dishonored check, it is also fine. $350. Okay, so over. Very easy, very simple if you understand. Okay, next one is here discount allowed. Okay, so discount allowed will be recorded here. Which side? In the credit side, because it will decrease the value of TR, means trade receivable. So let us write here same date, discount allowed $55. Okay, so over. Next one is we have here our discount receipt. Discount receipt comes only purchase ledger control account, not in the sales ledger control account. Okay, so don't forget. Okay, so next one is returns by credit customer. Yes, it will be recorded. So value is 276. Returns, it is a sales return. So sales returns come in the credit side because it will reduce the value of TR, means trade receivable. So let us write here sales return. So $276. Okay, so next one is here returns to credit supplier. Again supplier, we are not gonna take it. It will go to the purchase ledger control account. Okay, very good. Next one is here contra entry. Yes, contra entry will be recorded. So contra entry comes in the credit side of sales ledger control account and in the debit side of purchase ledger control account. So we are doing sales ledger control account, we have to record in the credit side. Okay, don't forget, sometimes contra entry comes in different way, different name. It is written as set off. If you see the set off, it is same like contra entry. Okay, same way will be recorded. So let us write here contra entry $182. Okay, very good. Next one is the last one, bad debt written off $62. Bad debt, where does it come? Look at here in the credit side, bad debts will reduce the value of TR, trade receivable. That is the reason we have to record in the credit side. So let us write here bad debts. It is $62. Okay, now we have two closing balances. So look at the question once again. The first April, what is written? Debit balances in sales ledger is $2,670. Credit balances in sales ledger is $86. Okay, so here debit balance will come in the credit side. Credit balance will come in the debit side. Okay, opposite. Don't think this way. Here we recorded debit balance debit side, credit balance credit side. But here in the closing balance, when you see the closing balance, we have to record in the opposite way. Debit balance credit side, credit balance debit side. Okay, so let us write. This is the closing balance. Okay, means balance CD. So let us write here balance CD. Yeah, it is 2670. So we will record in the credit side. Okay. Now here we have credit balance, we will record in the debit side. This is balance CD, means balance carried down. It is $86. So now we have to extract the value of sales. Okay, so how to calculate the value of sales now? It is very easy, very simple. The way you extract the closing balance, means balance CD, same way you have to calculate now as value of sales. So already you know that we have no selling price. Yeah, so let us write here sales first of all. sales. Okay, we already know that sales will be recorded in the debit side because sales value will increase the TR to a receivable. Okay, so we have to record in the debit side. Okay, now how to calculate the value of sales? Now first of all we have to add the value of credit dollar column. Okay, so if you see, if we add this all value in the credit column, how much we get? We get $5,530. Okay, now take this value here in the debit side, $5,530. Okay, now we subtract this all three prices from this total. Okay, so what we get? We get $2,748. Okay, so this is different question. Here we calculated our value of sales, but most of the question we need to calculate the balance CD. Okay, so but here we calculated sales. So different term, I'm showing you different type of control account. Okay, I have so many videos on control account, so I'll link to this playlist here in the I button. You can watch it. This will really help you to understand control account. Okay, so we calculated the value. Now what to do? So how to bring down? Okay, first of all, this is balance CD in the credit side. Now we'll write here balance BD 2670. Date is written there already, April 1st. Okay, so now this balance CD will be here, will be brought down April 1st, balance brought down. It is here 86. Okay, very simple if you understand. So remember the technique. What technique? These 4 items will come in the debit side and these 6 items will come in the credit side. So I hope you understood. This is all about our today's lesson. If you think that this video is helpful, you can share with your friends, and please consider subscribing to our channel because there you'll find lot of videos only for you. Okay, so I'll see you with new video. Until then, you stay safe. Bye bye and take care.